What's up, Winter Pandas? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, found something in my local grocers. This isn't a health channel if you didn't know that already. They're macaroons. You know what? I kind of came onto the macaroon scene pretty late. They always look like, I don't know. I didn't realize they were like little cake cookies. They always, I don't know, macaroons, and then the look of them seemed like giant nuts or something. But they're not. They're delicious, handmade French macaroons. Now, this little box here is pretty cool looking. I definitely dig it. It says to keep them frozen, and I'm not even sure how many are in here. 2 of each: raspberry, vanilla, pistachio, salted caramel, lemon, and chocolate. So 12 of these bad boys. All right, got the box open, and as you can see here, I've got the 12 macaroons right here. Pretty nice looking. They're not particularly big. I mean, they're the size of coins, maybe silver dollar coins, but I've definitely seen bigger macaroons too. But these are nice for a quick, decadent, pop in your mouth treat. Let's try it. So per the storage instructions, these suckers have been in the freezer, so I just took one out. Look at this. Because it's not that big, but this one I'm assuming is the raspberry because it is like pinkish, pastel-y pinkish. And you can see a little bit of that red filling in there. They didn't line up the tops and the bottoms very well. Mmm. So the top and the bottom are kind of like cakey, almost like whipped, but then crunchy almost on the outside. Not crunchy, firm. And then we do have a raspberry like almost jam in there. Now I just took these out of the freezer, so they're a little cold and maybe a little stiffer than they would be if they were sitting out, but totally delicious to be able to whip them out of the freezer like this. Wow, those are pretty decadent. I love them, but the other ones are pretty good too. I wonder how I'll find out. Check them out. I'll put a link to macaroons in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.